I've never had a formal occasion and a formal opportunity to actually say this about Mom, Dad. I'm thankful for being raised as your son and as a Palacio. I would like to begin by saying that I am truly honored to stand and speak before all of you today as the best man of this special occasion. Although I am still young and I only lived for 15 years, I have lived long enough to know that the bond between my mom and my dad is truly special.
Ikaw at ako, pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundo, magsamahan.
Today should be interesting, but also probably emotional.
Nagsumpaan.
Dear brothers and sisters, we are gathered here to celebrate the Holy Eucharist and to witness the sacrament of marriage between Vener and Ging.
Haharapin bawat unos na magdaan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawin kahapon ng bukas.
Ging, do you take Vener here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
And do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa, tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya sa isa't isa. Tayo ay sumasandal. Bawat hangat kayang abutin, sa pangambay di paaalipin. Basta't ikaw, ako, tayo, magpakailanman. Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung
Vener, do you take Ging here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Magpatawad. Di ko alam ang gagawin kung mawala ka.
Forget the days with overcast skies, but don't forget your hours together under the sun. Forget the times you've been defeated, but don't forget the victories you have won together. But never, never forget, you always have a dream, and that dream come true today.
Ikaw at ako,